Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsarthi. And is RBI going to pause on rate hikes tomorrow? That's what the 10-year Gsec yield seems to say so. The yield has fallen to 7.15%, the lowest seen in a couple of months. And it has come down from lows of 7.5%. The 10-year Gsec yield rose very sharply from RBI's June policy, where RBI raised rates, and then has since then, especially in the last few days, has fallen very sharply. So, is a market sensing something the RBI will do, which will helpful, beneficial to the market at least in the short term. Before we go on to the rest of Bond Bytes, do not forget to download our app, Quick Invest by INR Bonds, for the best curated bonds with most information, transparency, and the easiest of in-app investment processes. Let's invest in bonds now through a quick invest by INR bonds.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR bonds. Download the INR bonds app to save better.
Back to the bond bites. If RBI either cuts rates lower than expected or even pauses, would it help the market, or would it add more uncertainty going forward to the market? There's a lot of uncertainty in the market now. And despite the Gsec yields have gone down, despite the rupee falling sharply, today it went down again, but it's still down from record, higher up from record lows, while the Sensex Nifty were flat in the and US Treasury yields continue to remain at 2.73%. In the corporate bond market, Tata Capital Housing, the subsidiary of Tata Group and highly rated company, is raising 3 and 5-year bonds at 7.55% and 7.88% respectively. Yeah. So there's good levels for the company, given that interest rates seem to be in a rising scenario. But all eyes on RBI tomorrow, and we'll have to wait to see what, and if the 10-year Gsec yield is any indication that the policy is likely to be more benign than very uh, in terms of tightening. Thank you very much for listening in. Do not forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel if you've not done so already.